Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a missing place or business to Google Maps in just a few simple steps. So whether it's your shop, a cafe or a public spot, this guide will help you get it on the map. First, open Google Maps on your phone. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Now tap the Contribute tab at the bottom. Now select Add Place. You'll see a form where you can enter the name, location, category and other details. Be accurate as possible. For now, I will just go with some random name. For category, I will go with food and drink. It's a bakery. Now give it some address. While mentioning the address, be as accurate as possible. You can also move the pin to mark the exact location. Once you're done, hit submit. Your suggestions will be reviewed by Google and you'll get an email once it's published or if they need more information. If you want to speed up the approval, add photos of the place like storefronts, interiors or menus. Also make sure your GPS location is turned on when submitting. And that's it. You just helped improve Google Maps for everyone. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.